Zara's new sliders can be used to create simple photo sliders or much richer sliders that can have almost any content displayed on each slide. You'll find a wide selection of new pre-designed Zara sliders in Elements. To add to a modular website, open Designs Gallery and go to Modular Websites, Web Blocks, Sliders. Select a block and drag it to your project. To add to your freeform website, open Elements or Designs Gallery and go to Components, Image Resources, Sliders. Select a slider and drag it into your project. When you click on a slider to select it, the slider menu bar appears. Use the first 3 buttons on the slider menu bar to navigate through the slides in the slider, making each slide in turn current so you can edit their contents. To quickly add one or more photos to the slider, use the Add Photos button and browse for your photo files. You can use Ctrl+Click and Shift+Click in the file window to select multiple files. A new slide is added for each photo you select. Some sliders have several different slide designs and layouts. If you want to add a new slide that has the same design as an existing slide, make that slide current and click the Duplicate Slide button. The new slide becomes the current slide, so you can then change its contents. The labels shown on the slider menu bar shows you how many slides you have in total in your slider and which slide is currently shown. The buttons either side of this label let you change the order of your slides by moving slides earlier or later. The Edit Slide button opens a new view onto the current slide, so you can edit its contents. If you want to add objects to a slide, this is the best way to do it, as you can then just draw, insert, or paste objects directly into the slide. Just Ctrl+S to save when you are done working on the slide, to return to your project view. Or you can close the slide view using the Close button on the View window and then save or discard changes at the prompt. Press the Slider Properties button to bring up the Slider Options dialog. Slide Duration. Choose how long you'd like each slide to display for before the next slide appears. Transition Effects. Here you can choose from a range of animation effects, which are used when transitioning from one slide to the next. Note that setting the effect here will apply that effect to all objects on every slide and will override these different effects. The duration setting lets you set the speed of the transition effect, reduce the time for faster effects. You can put different effects onto different objects of your slides using the Web Animation dialog, which is the same dialog used for applying reveal effects to any objects in your website. Right-click on the object and choose Web Animation from the context menu, then select the Reveal Scroll tab. Use only the reveal effects. Scroll effects won't work in a slider. You can also set the speed and even a delay so that objects on a slide appear at different times. Thank you for watching. Upgrade to the latest version of Zara and check out the new sliders.